Hi, I'm Error Slayer. In this tutorial video will show you how to disable Opera GX on startup. First step, open Opera GX and click the settings icon in the menu on the left. Then, type run when my computer starts into the search bar. And disable this feature. Opera GX will no longer run automatically on startup. If this method didn't work, as a second method, type Task Manager into the Windows search bar and open it. Then click the Startup tab. If an application related to Opera GX has enabled written next to it, right-click on it and select Disable. As you can see, the status has been changed to disabled. I hope this how to disable Opera GX on startup tutorial video has provided you with a solution. If you wish, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.